Hey everyone, it's CL. So this has been weighing on my mind for a few days, maybe a couple weeks, is that I really need to get through processing the books that I've hauled. I have a love-hate relationship with books because when you find good ones, they're so easy to process and sell. Books can also be very tedious, and more often than not, the books you're hauling, the majority of them are not going to be great. I think that's why I've been putting it off, because I know the majority of what I purchased is not very good, and I'm going to have to throw some away because I've been poking around. Every once in a while I'll poke around and then I will look at a book a little closer and I see that it's damaged, and I think that's a little bit why I'm avoiding processing these books right now, going through and processing these books, because I think it will sink in whether or not I will lose money on them. So, but that hasn't stopped me from purchasing more books. It seems like every time I go out on the weekend to like the yard sales, I'm always purchasing books. It's like I can't stop. So today I'm gonna spend time sorting through these books. A part of me wonders whether or not selling books is worth it, like the time and effort and the energy, and then like dealing with the bad buys. It's something I go back and forth on, but then again, it is my fault because I do not scan these books before I purchase them. I kind of purchase a bulk of books and just hope that it works out. And so far, I don't think that method is working out for me. So I know there's some things that I need to change on my end if I do want to continue buying and selling books. Yeah, so let's go ahead and sort through my books and see how many are worthy of going to Amazon FBA, how many are worthy of me selling on eBay, and how many end up in the dumpster. All right, so let's get to it. I really need to get these sorted because it's just creating clutter in my home and I don't like it. I need to sort what's going to go to Amazon FBA, what's going to go to the trash because they're like damaged, and what is just going to be listed on eBay. So I have these books here, these books in here, random miscellaneous book in there, stack of books here. And I just went out today and picked up more books here. All right, so that's gonna be my test today. Let's see how much I can get done. So update, I went through this first lot of books, and out of this lot, so essentially this whole lot of books was complete garbage. There was at least 8 that were totally damaged that I have to just throw out, and none of these were Amazon worthy. But one upside is that there were quite a handful that had like the same author that I can just lot together, but I spent about 20 cents a book. I hope I make my money back on this one, but it's one of those wait and see, and I don't know how long these will sit before they sell, but we'll see how it goes. All right, so I'm gonna move on to the next lot. All right, so the next lot of books that I'm going to sort through is my purchase from today. Now these I bought in bulk with like other things, so let's go ahead and sort through these books. All right, so out of that haul, I came out with 40 books. So out of the 40 books, there was 10 that I felt were worthy of going on Amazon FBA. Overall, the books from this lot were in really, really good condition. There were a couple that had a little bit of water damage and had a little bit of staining on the cover, but for the most part, the books are in good condition. Except for this one. This one here had writing all inside. I do not understand how this person made notations inside the book, because they essentially underlined every sentence. I'm like, normally you would highlight the important parts that stuck out to you, but that's not what they did. This one I'm actually gonna read myself, and then when I'm done, I might throw it in the trash, only because it's just so far gone with the amount of writing and notes that are inside. And here we have a little book. I'm gonna bundle all these children's books together in a lot. So overall, as far as like price per item for these books, it was about 60 cents each, I believe, which is terrible. But I'm hoping that I'll make my money back with the books that are going to Amazon FBA. But it's one of those things, you have to wait and see. But I think I'm like done with books today. Later today, I might gather up the rest of my books and see how many I have to send to Amazon FBA. If I have enough books worthy enough to go to Amazon FBA, that would justify like the shipping and the effort to like put the books together and take them to UPS, I will probably do that tomorrow. I have not updated my Amazon FBA inventory for a while. Like, it's been a few months. I'm just kind of glad that I found some books that were worthy, but price per item was not great, and that's what's tough when you buy things in a bundle. So that's it for now as far as book sorting. So, yep.